Did you know that intermittent fasting can actually help your body burn fat more efficiently by changing how your hormones function? It triggers a boost in your metabolism and helps with weight loss. Intermittent fasting has been gaining popularity as a weight loss strategy, with many people swearing by its effectiveness. This method of eating has been around for centuries, but it's only recently that it's become a mainstream topic of discussion. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves alternating periods of eating and fasting in order to promote weight loss, improve metabolic health, and extend lifespan. Many people are drawn to this way of eating because it doesn't require them to give up their favorite foods or follow a strict diet plan. The idea of intermittent fasting is to restrict your food intake for certain periods of time, which can range from 12 hours to several days. The concept of intermittent fasting is rooted in the idea that our bodies are designed to go through periods of feast and famine. In the past, our ancestors didn't have access to food 24/7 like we do today, and as a result, their bodies adapted to survive during times of scarcity. By restricting our food intake, we can tap into this natural adaptation and promote weight loss. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have numerous health benefits, from improving insulin sensitivity to reducing inflammation in the body. As research on intermittent fasting continues to grow, more and more people are giving it a try. Some people use intermittent fasting as a way to jumpstart their weight loss journey, while others incorporate it into their lifestyle as a long-term strategy for maintaining their weight. With so many different methods and approaches to intermittent fasting, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Intermittent fasting entails restricting your food intake for certain periods of time, which can range from 12 hours to several days. This can be done in a variety of ways, including skipping meals, restricting your eating window, or fasting for several days at a time. Unlike traditional dieting methods, which often focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. By restricting your eating window, you can reduce your overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. Intermittent fasting differs from traditional dieting methods in that it doesn't require you to count calories or follow a strict meal plan. Instead, it's all about timing your meals and snacks to promote weight loss and improve your overall health. Many people find that intermittent fasting gives them more freedom and flexibility in their eating, which can be a welcome change from traditional dieting methods. By focusing on when you eat rather than what you eat, you can simplify your approach to weight loss and make it more sustainable in the long term. The key to successful intermittent fasting is to find a method that works for you and your lifestyle. Some people prefer to skip breakfast and restrict their eating window to 8 hours, while others prefer to fast for 24 hours at a time. The important thing is to listen to your body and adjust your approach as needed. With a little experimentation and patience, you can find an intermittent fasting method that helps you achieve your weight loss goals. Intermittent fasting has several key mechanisms that contribute to its effectiveness for weight loss. One of the primary mechanisms is the reduction of insulin levels, which can help your body burn fat more efficiently. When you eat, your body releases insulin to help regulate your blood sugar levels. However, when you fast, your insulin levels drop and your body is able to access stored fat for energy. This can lead to a significant reduction in body fat, particularly around the midsection. Intermittent fasting also has a number of benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and increased human growth hormone production. By restricting your food intake, you can promote autophagy, a natural process in which your body recycles and removes damaged cells and proteins. This can help to improve your overall health and reduce your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Many people also report improved mental clarity and focus when they incorporate intermittent fasting into their routine. One of the potential drawbacks of intermittent fasting is that it can be challenging to stick to, particularly in social situations. When you're eating with friends or family, it can be hard to resist the temptation of food, especially if you're feeling hungry. Additionally, some people may experience negative side effects like headaches or fatigue when they first start intermittent fasting. However, these side effects are usually temporary and can be mitigated by listening to your body and adjusting your approach as needed. Despite the potential challenges, many people find that the benefits of intermittent fasting far outweigh the drawbacks. By incorporating intermittent fasting into their routine, people can promote weight loss, improve their overall health, and increase their energy levels. Whether you're looking to lose a few pounds or simply improve your overall well-being, intermittent fasting is definitely worth considering. With a little patience and persistence, you can achieve your weight loss goals and experience the many benefits that intermittent fasting has to offer. Some people may be concerned that intermittent fasting is too restrictive or that it will lead to nutrient deficiencies. However, with a little planning and creativity, it's easy to get all the nutrients you need while still restricting your food intake. Many people find that intermittent fasting actually helps them develop healthier eating habits, as they're more mindful of what they're putting in their bodies. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can ensure that you're getting all the vitamins and minerals you need, even when you're not eating as frequently. Research has shown that intermittent fasting can be an effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health. Studies have found that intermittent fasting can lead to significant reductions in body fat, as well as improvements in insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. Additionally, many people have reported success with intermittent fasting, with some people losing significant amounts of weight and improving their overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to lose weight or simply improve your health, intermittent fasting is definitely worth considering. Experts agree that intermittent fasting can be a highly effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health. By restricting your food intake, you can promote weight loss, improve your insulin sensitivity, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Many experts also recommend incorporating physical activity into your routine, as this can help to enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced faster, there are many resources available to help you get started and achieve your weight loss goals. Some studies have found that intermittent fasting can be particularly effective for certain groups of people, such as those with type 2 diabetes or obesity. By restricting their food intake, these individuals can improve their insulin sensitivity and reduce their risk of complications. Additionally, intermittent fasting has been shown to be effective for reducing inflammation and improving cardiovascular health. Whether you're looking to lose weight or simply improve your overall health, intermittent fasting is definitely worth considering. One potential counter-argument to intermittent fasting is that it's not sustainable in the long term. Some people may find that they're unable to stick to an intermittent fasting schedule, particularly if they have social or work commitments that involve food. However, many people find that it becomes easier over time as their bodies adapt to the new eating pattern. With a little patience and persistence, it's possible to make intermittent fasting a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Some people may also argue that it's not suitable for everyone, particularly those with certain health conditions or nutritional deficiencies. While it's true that intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, many people can safely incorporate it into their routine with a little planning and caution. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or eating plan, particularly if you have any underlying health conditions. Another potential counter-argument is that intermittent fasting is no more effective than traditional dieting methods. However, many people find that intermittent fasting is more sustainable and effective in the long term, as it doesn't require them to count calories or follow a strict meal plan. By focusing on when you eat, rather than what you eat, you can simplify your approach to weight loss and make it more sustainable. In conclusion, intermittent fasting can be a highly effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health. By restricting your food intake, you can promote weight loss, improve your insulin sensitivity, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Whether you're looking to lose a few pounds or simply improve your overall well-being, intermittent fasting is definitely worth considering. With a little patience and persistence, you can achieve your weight loss goals and experience the many benefits that intermittent fasting has to offer. In summary, intermittent fasting is a simple yet effective way to lose weight and improve your health. It's all about timing your meals and snacks to promote weight loss and improve your overall well-being. By incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine, you can simplify your approach to weight loss and make it more sustainable in the long term. So if you're looking for a new approach to weight loss, be sure to give intermittent fasting a try. The key takeaways from our discussion on intermittent fasting are that it can be an effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health. It's simple to incorporate into your routine, and it's sustainable in the long term. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced faster, there are many resources available to help you get started and achieve your weight loss goals. So don't be afraid to give intermittent fasting a try and see the benefits for yourself. If you're interested in learning more about intermittent fasting, be sure to check out some of our other videos on the topic. We've got a range of videos that cover everything from the basics of intermittent fasting to more advanced topics like how to incorporate it into your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.